Hey, what is up, folks? Welcome back to another Fish Meat for Dinner episode. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean a squirrel. We got 2 squirrels here from our hunt with John today. That'll be in another video. But first step is you want to cut off the tail. So there's that. Boom, 2 tails. Then what you want to do is you want to dip them in the water. This makes it so that the hair doesn't get all over the place. Next step, you want to cut the feet off. Next up, I'm going to go on their back, pinch the fur, make an incision, we'll just cut it, and then you want to grab this each side, and then just pull. So there's that. I'm sure on other YouTube videos this looks so easy. And pull it up to there because you don't eat the head. And just cut the head off. That BB right there too. And then there's a little fur right there. Get that off of there. Next up, that's pretty much your whole thing. And then you can cut them open. That up, and then not the funnest job in the world. I can tell you that. And there you go. And just rinse it off. Got a nice squirrel, and you see, like, if we would have dipped it in the water first, a lot of this fur would have came off and been all over your meat. So that's a little bit of a trick. Then you can quarter it up or whatever, but I'm just gonna probably freeze these guys right away since I don't plan on eating them right away. So as you guys can see, I saved the tails. What I do with the tails is I make flies for fishing. I also do deer tails, like this is the one for my buck. So I dry them out and then I use the tails to tie flies. And then from the last video you saw that I shot a raccoon, so I got the raccoon tail too. So sure I'll make a video where I tie some flies with animals that I've hunted for and killed, and yeah, that'll be pretty cool. So stay tuned for that. Should be coming up this winter probably. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and we'll see you guys next time.
Just give me a sign if you wanna come. Just give me a sign. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Just give me a sign if you wanna